Okay, welcome back to the workshop, handyman. I've not really had a whole lot to post on because some of these projects I'm doing is just not really probably phone worthy or video worthy for projects, but I will kind of update you on a couple of projects maybe on this video on what I've been working on. And if you have questions about something, you can always comment, and I'll see if I can go in a little better detail. But we're going to show you one of the first projects here today is I've been brought a piece of siding. This piece of siding here, the customer's wanting this duplicated. He's wanting it in treated lumber and was wondering if I could build it because he could not find it anyplace. So we're going to go ahead and do that. And when I do this, I'm going to take my saw, and I've simply going to do a resaw on it saw. And we've set this fence up. Let's see if I can show you. So that this will ride against this, and we should be able to cut a piece of wood and have it fit against there. So in order to do that, I said we probably would want to go ahead and do that out of a 5/4 decking board. And we set that on there, and that will end up, if I cut it, it's going to give us actually 2 pieces of wood. So we're not really wasting anything, and it'll give us approximately what we want. So that's what we're going to do, is simply throw them through there on that angle. That'll give us 2 of them. Once we get done with that, then we'll have to come back in for this piece of siding, and if you look at the edge, we'll have to run that through router and dado that out and make that groove so that it overlaps the siding. So I think we can do that. So we'll go ahead and send one through and see how it looks, and update you as the little project goes. Okay, the first piece we've done, we've taken the one and cut it down. We've got several of them to do, but we're looking at it, and it looks like it's pretty well cut in half. It's off a little bit just because of the warpage of the board. As you know, you can't get a piece of wood. So the only thing we're going to do is we'll end up having to dado this out so that it'll fit over top of that. So it'll keep that flat against the wall. So we'll do that, and that should make them happy. We'll go ahead and cut up the rest of this pile and get them, I think he said he needed 8 of them, I think. 8 pieces. He gave me two boards, so 2 10-footers. We cut those into 5-foot chunks. He'll only need a 4-foot something, so should all work out right. So we'll go ahead and run the rest of those and set up our dado, put a groove on it. Okay, so here we've got the router set up, and it's just a small bit in there. I don't know if you can really see what it is. It's just a regular square bit, and I did a little sample piece. We cut it up and we've grooved it out. I think that's going to look pretty close, so we'll just take these and run them on through, and when we get done with that, they should sit and overlap, and they'll look like that. So it'll be a good fit, and that should about do it. So let's go ahead and start up the system and see if we can't get the groove cut in there. All right, all routed and make up for a nice siding. They're going to have to do a little bit of work because these boards are a little bit warped, but I think it'll work just fine for what they had versus what I made. Should match up fairly well. I'm going to call it a success anyway. So we'll throw this one in here. And once that's set up on the building, I think it'll look plenty good. So that knocks that one out. Let's go see what else I've been doing. Maybe we'll throw a couple of that on here just to kind of show you that I'm not just sitting around doing some of these projects. Probably not as exciting as others, and I don't know if you ever use them or not, but there's options out here on how we can get things done. I'm just trying to do what I can do, so we'll keep working on them. Let me throw a couple of little things we have been working on that's maybe not quite as exciting, but give you an idea that the old workshop handyman is steady working on something. So let's see what else I have.